Today we will be working on a very nice pillow. Hi guys,
I'm back.
it's Mary here. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome to my channel. In this channel we teach sewing, we give tips and tricks to make your sewing journey the best.
That would be great.
We also do some upcycling, home decor.
Really?
Today we'll be working on a very nice cushion, or pillow rather. It's an armrest pillow. I had so difficult time finding it. So I went to Walmart, I went to Winners, I went to all the stores to find this pillow.
So I couldn't find what I'm looking for.
So I took some measurements and I decided to make my own with my own measurements. So really all I did, I took this measurement and this measurement to the bottom, so the width and the height. So it really gives you like a square. And then in the back, we'll come back to the arms. So in the back, it's really look like a square, a bit fluffy square. So it literally look like a square. But I wanted to do all of this section all in one cut, except for the zipper, right? I'll talk about that later. But so I draw that on in a piece of paper. And also what I did for this one, 2 rectangles. And this piece here is just a strap going this way. And then when I attach it to here, I want it to look like a circle. So I did this, I give this like a curve cut, and here too. The pattern is in the description. Check it out. You can adjust it the way you want it. So enough with the talk and let's get started.
As I mentioned, the pattern is in the description. I cut the exterior fabric and now I'm cutting the lining. The internal fabric, I'm using an old fabric that I had long time ago that I never used. You can use a bed sheet or whatever you have. The 2 straps I mentioned earlier are 10 inches wide by 25 inches. First, we are going to attach the 2 straps to the arm pieces. So for the straps, I cut it a little bit longer, so you just can cut the extra if you did like myself.
This better work.
Now we are going to attach other side of the arms to the back of the pillow. For seam allowance, I'm using 1/2 inch seam allowance. And this is how it looks like. Next, we are going to attach it to the front side of the pillow. Now we are going to attach the bottom of and the back of the front and the back together of the pillow, leaving a gap open so we can stuff it.
So hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification so you won't miss a thing. I'll be uploading so many videos, you don't want to miss it. Let's go back to the video.
Next, we are going to attach the arms in the both sides together, the back of the arms and the front of the arm together. Now we are attaching the back with the front. Turn it inside out and make sure everything is sewn in correctly. I have an old pillow, so I'm just gonna use it for stuffing. And also I saved my scrap from this project. Here we go. I also will hand stitch it closed. I did the same exact steps again for the exterior fabric.
Seriously?
Except I added a zipper in the bottom instead. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.